Hey guys, uh, in this session I'm going to show you how to use Jshell. Uh, Jshell is a very interactive tool to learn the Java programming. Basically, it will give the immediate results when you can execute, create your method or execute your methods, and you can see the immediate results. That makes very comfortable for a new programmer to don't have to write down what is class and all the systematic output and then see the result. So instead of that, if we write down the straight program what exactly creating a method and see the result of that method, so it's going to be very helpful without taking a long time. So let's start it right now. So first requirement is you should have a Java in our system, and to check that whether the Java is installed or not, so give the command java version, and you will see that 10.2 is installed on my system, and I'm using the Windows. So I'm using Windows. So second thing I would like to let you know, if Java is not installed on your system, so definitely please go ahead and install Java by googling it, how to install Java on your system. So now I will give the command Jshell. It's so simple, just type Jshell and you'll see, just wait for a second, and you see that welcome to Jshell. And here you go. So if you help uh, type help, you'll see that how to use the Jshell. I will just create a small program so that you will understand the power of Jshell. So let's create a small method over here right now. So void okay, print numbers. So I'm giving argument n, use for loop here, give condition, and give the increment value here. So let's print some of the numbers in sequence. So system println type in here. So let's say my first method, right? So do plus symbol and create type I. So if you want to numbers in sequence, so you have to give the I as input. Then yeah, make sure that you are using closing the brackets right now. So you have two open brackets, so use the two closed brackets. Now you can see here the method is successfully created. Uh, and to execute this method, so just print. You have to call this method. So print numbers, and here I'm using say 5. So you can see that, okay, so this is definitely not a good format, and let's do that one. So I'm doing it intentionally because you should see that how to use these things in your program, or how to edit this one. So now you are seeing that, okay, this format is not right. So you can go here, use edit, and you say print numbers, So that should open up your editor, and you can see here editor is open. Now you can change it, so you need a space for here, or you don't want to see this particular comment, so that's perfectly fine. You just want to see the numbers. So uh, you can see the two buttons over here. So one is accept and one is exit. So accept will publish your changes and exit also publish your changes, but difference between accept and publish: accept will keep you as it is where you are. It will save the changes and it will keep your editor open. But if you exit, it will save your changes and it will exit from your editor. Hope this is clear to you guys. And to see that the another feature of Jshell, you can see it is you can say list. And if you want to see what exactly written in method and you don't want to open up editor, so you can try this way: print numbers. So I'm using this method and I can see all the details of your method. If I want to see that how many numbers of methods are there, so just use the methods and you can see, okay, so this is the one method. If you have the multiple methods are there, so it will list out all the multiple methods list over here. Uh, so basically the way Jshell works is whatever you are writing it down, and if you close the Jshell, it will go away. You will not see the changes. And but if you want to save your changes, so say you can say first program or first dot txt something, and all you can see the file on your Java location, and the file will should be able to save that one. Uh, so sometimes if you are stuck uh, on Jshell and if you want to go out, so use the command Control D. So sometimes you are in a method and you are not able to come out, so use the Control D is the one of the way. Or if you want to completely out, so just say exit, and that should take you completely out of Jshell. Goodbye. Hope you like this tutorial. Thank you. And I will start adding more and more videos to learn our programming. Keep in touch. Thank you.